In fact, we even have an alien friend named Reese. He's sort of the planet, so really be a friend all over the